Good evening, guys. This is Smart Money Trader. Um, let's go through the disclaimer, guys. I want you to understand that any information that we share here is for educational purpose only. It shouldn't be deemed as an investment advice or trade idea. If it happens that you use our video to take a trade, know that you are not liable for any loss that you're gonna incur. You'll be doing that at your own risk and at your own will. So our associates, partners, and employees will not be liable for any losses. Thank you. Okay, let's just dive into the chart. What we are looking at right now is the American gold. So during the beginning of the week, I said I'm looking for this level here, 1785, to be our weekly objective. And then if we break through this level, we are going to reach this level, and ultimately our main objective for gold is 1745, this level here. As you can see, that has happened. We've already broken this, and now we are going for this level right now. So I'm anticipating that Thursday and Friday will be dropping lower before we have any significant retracement higher. So I think this is the area where we're going to count a buying. So if you look at the price action when it reaches this level. But other than that, if it breaks through, you should have this level in your chart, 16.81. It could be the ultimate level. But when it reaches here, I'll be looking at how the gold market reacts and the fundamentals associated with it. Okay. Let me bring back what I drew last week. Those are the levels that I drew last week. I was anticipating gold market like Monday and Tuesday to rally back, just to give a retracement here and then drop lower. You see clearly why I said I need that and the chart. Yes, I was looking at there was this imbalance here on the daily chart in the order block here. So I was hoping it will just go back another, and then we have this ultimate move. But then on Monday it just rolled over. So much happened. So right now we are almost below this. We are almost approaching this low. So I think if it needs to go back, we'll just go back to this daily high, daily low, daily low. And then from there we'll be setting now. I think we can counter sellers here and then continue going lower. So have this level as market charts on the daily time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, this is the level that I'm looking for. So as you can see, the market dropped, made a high, we proved this high. This now becomes our breaker. So in a retracement to it, we should anticipate more sell. We should anticipate to sell. So I think maybe tomorrow, if we're gonna have a retracement, we're gonna reach this level here and so on. There's nothing that we should go out for. To me, the way it looks, there's nothing that the price is just balanced according to this, the way it seems. It might just roll over tomorrow. Nothing much, just holding to the 1764 and 1745. And then when you look at the H1, maybe the H1 will be a narrative where we should go back So if it happens that it goes back, I'll be looking at this level here. We have an imbalance that needs to be balanced. We have a motivation about there. So if it goes there, it will just start retracement and go like that. I don't see it going that far away through because I don't think it will go that far. I just think maybe from now it can consolidate, then London will give us a sense of that when we go well. There's nothing much to this chart, to be honest. So this is, like I said, was the beginning of the week. We are still bearish on gold until we reach that level, that weekly level. I'll be looking to sell gold until we reach that level. Other than that, there's nothing much to it. I hope you find this insightful, and I'm actually pretty good trading with guys. We'll see you on Sunday with the Sunday edition. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and to get notifications as soon as this is done. Goodbye.